First, acidic nature explanation. Acidic nature increases when plus I decreases, minus I increases, Ka increases, pKa decreases. Acidic nature, when electron withdrawing effect apply, then acidic nature increases. When electron releasing nature apply, acidic nature decreases. First we explain the acidic nature of alcohol. Here, alcohol, acidic nature explanation of alcohol on the basis of plus I effect. CH3OH, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2OH. Methanol, ethyl alcohol and normal propyl alcohol. When we make the conjugates here, and we calculate the negative charge amount, intermediates where amount of negative charge is less, this intermediate is more stable. Among these, CH3O-, CH3CH2O- and CH3CH2CH2O-, here the stability order is CH3O- is more stable. This is due to less charge, less negative charge, here least plus I, that's why here negative charge amount is least. In case of normal propyl, when normal propyl, here plus I is more, on oxygen negative charge amount is more, that's why this is least stable, plus I is maximum here. Here the acidic order nature, decreasing order, the conjugate of most stable CH3OH is most acidic, and the conjugate of CH3CH2CH2O-, CH3CH2CH2OH is least acidic. The order is normal, propyl alcohol is least acidic and methanol is most acidic. And now the order is methanol, ethanol and normal propyl alcohol. A, B, C, decreasing order of alcohols. Second, here acidic nature we explain on the basis of minus I effect. In first example, CH3CH, Cl, CH2OH, here Cl attach on near OH. In next example, Cl, distance of Cl and OH is more here, that's why here least minus I, in first case more minus I. If minus I is more, electron withdrawing efficiency is more, that's why here removal of H plus easy, that's why this first case 2-chloro-propane-1-ol is more acidic than 3-chloropropane-1-ol. This is the first having more minus I, that's why here easily proton releases. In second case minus I less, here acidic nature decreases. One more example, when plus I, less plus I, more plus I, when we compare all examples, the acidic nature explain here most acidic A, B, then less plus I, C, then D. This is the decreasing order of acidic strength A, B, C, D. CH3CH, fluorine, here we see fluorine attach on second number carbon. Next example, first number carbon, then next Cl attach on second number carbon, here first number. Here we see in first case when fluorine just attach on second number carbon, here minus I is maximum. Among fluorine and chlorine, fluorine is more electronegative, that's why due to fluorine more minus I. When we compare minus I of fluorine and minus I of chlorine, minus I of fluorine is more than minus I of chlorine. When fluorine attached just near, minus I is more, just far, minus I is less. Like this on chlorine, when chlorine near, minus I is more, when chlorine far, minus I is less. When we compare the acidic nature, if minus I is maximum, acidic nature is maximum. When minus I is minimum, acidic nature is minimum. Now the order is A, C, B, D. This is the order. Fluorine containing first, then third, then second, then fourth.